All right, now you guys seen my video before of jacking up the mower with a car jack. I used to jack up this one here. I got the commercial Gravely, and it doesn't go high enough with the car jack. So why not use a spare wheel? Spare wheel at the jack. I was able to get the blade off on this side, and I already did the other two on this side. So pretty much I alternate wheels. So before I had the wheel on the other side, I had it on this side. I was able to get the two blades off. I drove the zero turn off the wheel, put it on the other side, put it up on this wheel, got that third blade out. How to jack a zero turn mower without a car jack. Easy. I already did the blade on the other side. These two are done. All three done. Let's get this zero turn off now.